The Superbus Pathé-Marconi represents one of the most remarkable advertising vehicles ever created in France. Commissioned in 1950 by Pathe-Marconi, then Europe's leading phonographic company, this extraordinary vehicle emerged during a period when French companies were eager to promote their brands through innovative mobile advertising. The project began under the leadership of Pierre Bourgeois, president of Pathe-Marconi, who initiated the order for this exceptional vehicle in 1950. The design was entrusted to renowned French automotive designer Philippe Charbonneaux, known for his work with Delahaye, General Motors, and Renault. Paul Braque, who later became the head of design at BMW and Peugeot, contributed to the project as Charbonneaux's assistant. The vehicle's construction took 2 years, with the body being manufactured and assembled by coach builder Jean Antem in Courbevoie. The platform of the semi-trailer, branded Titan, was modified by Fruhoff establishments in Villefranche-sur-Saône. The tractor unit featured a modified Panhard and Levasseur IE4HL diesel engine. The Superbus's technical specifications were impressive for its time. Measuring 14.3 meters in length and 2.5 meters in width, it incorporated numerous innovative features. The vehicle contained a mixing desk with 125 buttons and controls, 10 amplifiers for broadcasting and recording, a Pathe-Marconi equipment showroom, and a panoramic lounge on the upper deck, complete with a bar and seating. One of its most remarkable features was a retractable upper awning that transformed into a stage for orchestral performances, accessed by artists through a concealed mini-elevator in the trailer's rear structure. The vehicle made its debut in the Tour de France advertising caravan in July 1953. For 6 consecutive years, until 1958, it became a prominent feature of the famous cycling race. The Superbus served as a mobile stage for numerous French artists of the 1950s, including Édith Piaf, Les Compagnons de la Chanson, and Yvette Horner. Performances typically took place at 21:45 in each stage city, with Europe 1 radio broadcasting excerpts through their Musicorama program. After leaving Pathe-Marconi in 1959, the vehicle was sold to the newspaper Le Provençal, which repainted it in red and white. In 1970, it was acquired by the Gulliver Circus, which painted it yellow and used it with an agricultural tractor after the original Panhard engine failed. In 1974, Philippe Charbonneaux purchased the trailer from Gulliver and fortunately recovered the cabin from a scrapyard. The vehicle underwent complete restoration in 1990, returning to its original blue color, though with a unique engine replacing the original Panhard. For 15 years, the Superbus was preserved at the Musée Automobile Reims Champagne, founded by Philippe Charbonneaux. In late 2015, Hervé Charbonneaux, the designer's son, donated the vehicle to the National Automobile Museum in Mulhouse. Today, the Superbus Pathé-Marconi is preserved at the Transport Conservatory of the Autocars Anciens de France Association in Wissembourg, standing as one of the very few surviving advertising vehicles from the 1950s. The Superbus Pathé-Marconi represents not just a vehicle, but a testament to post-war French innovation in mobile advertising and entertainment. Its sophisticated design, technical capabilities, and cultural significance make it an important piece of French automotive and musical history.